What does it mean when there's a warning light with a car on the lift on the dash of my BMW? That one just means it's time for service. It could be due for service for an oil service, a brake fluid exchange, sometimes brake pads, or just a vehicle check. There's oil service, we recommend every 5,000 miles. Brake fluid exchange is every 2 years. The brake pad one, BMW goes based off of time and like the sensor life. So sometimes that one can be on just because it needs a sensor if it does still have good pads. But regardless of what it is, let us look at it. We'll tell you exactly why it's on. We'll look over the whole car, look at about 300 different items on it. And it just means go to somebody, let's get it looked at, let's make sure that it's not going to break or anything like that. So bring it in. It doesn't cost anything to find out why that light's on or to get an inspection. And then from there, you'll have the info and you can make a decision as to how to maintain your car going forward.